What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but this is the way this video is gonna go. We're gonna have a conversation man to man, right? We're gonna talk just like I would talk to you, just like I would talk to my friends on the street. I'm not gonna structure it. If I curse, so be it. A lot of you guys wanna be successful in life. You wanna, I guess, quit your jobs or just, I don't know, whatever your success is, whatever your definition of success is. I know my definition is different than your definition. And we all have different definitions of success. But one thing you need to understand is that my definition is going to be different than your definition. So make sure you put it on the wall and make sure it's realistic. What does success mean to you today? Write that down. That's your dream. That's your goal. Now that you established your goal, now that you established your dream, next step, how can we achieve it? Right? Let's simplify things. I'm going to give you an algorithm that 90% of the people have, but they don't go through it. Because they're so lazy. Right? Now that we established the step of success. Success, what is your success? Own a boat, quit your job, traveling, retire at 50, whatever your success is. Passive income, make your salary today without having to work. You know, these are definitions of success. You don't have to be a billionaire to call yourself successful. It's 2018, mate. So now we established the goal of success. What is success? That's my success. That's my goal. That's what I want to be. That's what I want to do. That's me successful, right? That's my dream. How can we achieve it? Well, next step, start learning, education, right? Because the mind that is educated is going to be the one that is going to be, I guess, step ahead of someone that is not educated, right? You understand things better than the normal person. And I'm talking about, you know, this guy can have a bachelor honors degree or a master's degree in something, but you, my friend, you're still going to be more educated than him. Because he's educated to work for companies. You're educated in life. So that's the second step, right? Success. Next thing is what? Education. The last thing that 90% of the people don't go through. What is it? If you were in college today and you graduate from college with your honors degree, you go looking for a job. The company's gonna turn out to you and say, hey buddy, you don't have experience. We can't just hire a graduate because you don't have experience. You're gonna say, but I just graduated, how can I have experience? Right? So they're gonna hire someone with experience rather than someone who just graduated. Because the guy with experience knows the things. He knows, he has experience in these things. Right? Similarly today, everything you've learned from YouTube, education, remember the education we talked about, the second step, we have the goal, the education. What is education? This could be reading books, YouTube videos, and then the last step, action. Taking action on everything that you've learned, all the ideas that you've learned, all the ideas that come to your head, how to make money, how to become successful. It doesn't have to be about money, but you have to act. In life, you have to act, right? If you don't take action on things, you're not gonna learn. You're gonna fail, that's guaranteed. It might not be the first one, the second one, the third one that's gonna take you to the next level. It could be the 10th one, right? But you have to fail, get up, learn from mistakes and say, okay, let me put that back in the failure list, take that off from your menu and say, that's not for me. Move on to the next idea and keep going until one of them sticks. Because when you throw something at a wall, one of them is gonna stick. Which one? The 6th idea, the 10th idea, but no one thing, nothing goes to waste. Everything leads on to something bigger. Everything. Nothing goes to waste. And I've gave you an idea before where you start trading stocks, learn about stocks, and here you are trading and teaching people on YouTube, right? You just started your own course because you were a failure at trading stocks, but now you started your own course. So everything leads on to something bigger. Right? So you have to act, you have to learn. You simply won't know, even the silliest ideas. You won't know if that idea is going to take you to the next level. You just don't know because you haven't acted upon it. But if you acted, now you know that this idea is not for you. If you come up to me right now with an idea and say, hey Zed, I want to go through this idea, I will tell you straight up, yes or no. Why? Because I've done everything you can dream of today. In 2018, everything you mentioned, I've done it. Legal or illegal, I've done it. Ask me anything today in the comment section. Hopefully, I'm not going to reply. I'll probably reply to some. Just ask me anything, I will tell you straight up yes or no, because I've done the things. Somebody else might be doing things and I come up with an idea and say, hey buddy, do you want to go through this idea? He's going to say to me no. Why? Because he's done it. But there's obviously some people that will just say no because simply they don't understand the idea. But if you have done it and you understand that this isn't something that will take you to the next level, right? You simply reply with yes or no and tick it off your menu. This isn't for me, okay, move on to the next thing. So let's end it here. You have to go to hell and back. Period. You have to go to hell and back in order to become successful. You like it or not. It's not easy. It's not gonna be. I don't care what Tay Lopez says. Nothing comes easy if you're not putting in the time and taking action. And 90% of the people just want comfort. Because obviously when you're working extra hard, you know, you're stepping out of your comfort zone. So I don't care what Tay Lopez and these gurus say, how easy it is to make money. If you're not putting in the time and hard work, you simply won't move forward in life altogether. Whatever you could be doing, playing football, training rugby, modeling, if you're not putting in the time, hard work, you simply won't achieve your dreams. Look at this water, look at this. Look at this bottle right here. Alright? This is a business idea. Somebody with a well said, hey buddy, get a few bottles, let's put a sticker around there and let's just sell bottles of water. This is an idea, right? And you know how many bottles of water exist out there, how many brands? A lot. But this is a brand, alright, that copied off another brand and they said, okay, we're gonna go through it, we're gonna take the risk, and hey, I have it in my hand and I'm drinking it. This is not a sponsorship video for water, by the way. I'll see you again for another, guys. Success is around the corner. Don't stop. That's the most important thing. If you stop, you failed. You have to keep going, learning and learning and learning. And I just wanted to talk to you just like man to man, guys. This is the video that I wanted somebody to come out and talk to me back then and say, hey Zed, let me sit you down and let me talk to you straight up. This is what I'm doing, giving you that pep talk, baby. Giving you that pep talk. See you again for another, guys, just like always. See you again for more videos, hopefully today, tomorrow. I don't know when I'm gonna post, but you know I'll post. I'll never forget about you guys. Peace and love.